check out my insane crypto wallet. If you're looking to stack some serious cash, stick around because I am breaking down exactly how to make it happen. For months, I was obsessed with trading meme coins 24/7, but eventually I just gave up because every time I put my money into a meme coin, the meme coin eventually just got rugged like this one right here. And I just got annoyed because it was every single coin. I just kept on getting rug on every single investment I put my money into. And that's because nowadays, the people who are making the most money are the people behind these coins who are making them. Because the benefits of launching your own coins is that, first of all, you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time, right? But compared to meme coins, you can lose all your money within just one trade. And also, the second benefit is that you have full control over the coin. When you are the maker behind the coin, you can literally decide how much money you make just by removing the liquidity and getting away with thousands of dollars. Now that's exactly why I switched to this new strategy. Now I can turn $100 into $500, and sometimes I can even make thousands of dollars within seconds. And the best part, you can do it over and over again. You can just keep launching coins and stacking cash at lightning speed. Now that's exactly what I will be teaching y'all into this video. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, so do not copy me. But yeah, now it's time to stop yapping and head straight to the point. So to create your coin, you want to come to launch tokens.fun, okay? Here, you will be able to launch your coin on the Raydium DEX with no coding required, and it will be created instantly. The reason why we have to use this website is because Pump.Fun is too saturated nowadays and too many coins are viewed as scams, so no big investors are going to buy your coins if it's made on Pump.Fun, so we have to make them on the Raydium DEX, okay? So if I come to my photon and I go on trending and I go on Pump.Fun, just look at the market caps: 18k, 7k, 11k, 30k, 5k, and if we compare those market caps to the Raydium ones, just look at the insane market cap: 6 million, 12 million, 200,000, 6 million, fucking 5 million, okay? We have to be making coins on the Raydium DEX, specifically on launch tokens.fun, if we want to maximize our money, okay? If you want to maximize our money, okay? Now here on the home page, you can create your coin manually by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So for example, if a trend was popping, or if Trump or Elon Musk tweeted, well, you could make a coin manually here and make thousands. But if you're lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can come to the copy trending coins feature right here, the third tab, and you can duplicate any coin you want that has a good narrative. Usually all these coins have a good narrative, so all these meme coins have already proven to work on Pump.Fun, so it's almost guaranteed that they'll perform well on Raydium too, okay? So you're basically guaranteed to make some profits. Like, it's actually insane. This feature is gatekept by a lot of people in the community, so we have to take advantage of it, okay? So I'm gonna wait for a good narrative to pop up, then I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay, this one caught my attention. The retard Vitalik, it has 111 replies and almost $40,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create this coin because it looks promising. I mean, any coin here will make you some money. Then go inside your phantom. Then okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. Confirm, I understand, confirm. Then be patient, your coin will be created shortly. Okay, popped up. Now copy here and click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. After that, here it's already selected. I have a bunch of coins that I've made thousands off of. Here select your Solana balance, and here click on max because you want 1 billion coins, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. I like to put 0.5 Solana here because that is what I'm comfortable with. Obviously, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, but you are not losing this money, okay? This money is completely safe since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose, okay? Do not be worried. Obviously, make sure you have enough here. Then click on Crypto and your coin will pop up on Memescope. Then do confirm, then refresh. Okay, popped up. You're already up $10 in profit. Now click on View on Photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, dipped a bit. Oh my god, what just happened? Let me go in a lower time frame. Okay, as you can see, it pumped a lot. I guess it's already gaining traction at the moment on Memescope. Okay, it's already pumping a lot at the moment. Okay, it's pumping a bit, it's pumping a bit. Oh my god, let's go. Okay, we're at a $400 market cap. So if we come to launch Tokens.Fun, I'm not going to remove the liquidity right now, but we can check our profits here. So click on refresh. You can see we're $100 in profit. Obviously wait longer for more buyers. Okay, it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, should I remove the liquidity? Should I do it? How much profit? Should I do it? Yo, one more buy and I'm doing it. Fuck it. One more buy. Oh my god! Okay, fuck it, I'm doing it. Come back to launch Tokens.Fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on. Confirm. And boom! We just removed the liquidity, and that's exactly step by step how to launch a coin and print money out of thin air, bro. Launch Tokens.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. And to prove that this shit actually works, if I open my Phantom wallet, whoops. Okay, bro, okay, yo, I got scared for a second. It refreshed. $360 is inside my wallet. I had $120 at the beginning, so I made around $240 off this one coin within 2 minutes, bro. It's actually insane. Like, yo, I've had coins where I've made 10k, 1k, 5k, obviously for educational purposes only, bro. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, just make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and then join my Telegram group for free down below. And yeah, bye.